Welcome to our tutorial on fine-tuning GPT models. By the end of this video, you'll understand when to fine-tune and how to do it effectively. To get started right now, I want you to think about a specific task you want your model to excel at. This could be anything from generating marketing copy to answering FAQs. Write down your task, and let's fine-tune a model that's ready to tackle it head-on. Now you're one step closer to a more capable AI assistant. So, let's dive in. Why would you want to fine-tune a GPT model? Fine-tuning is essential when you have a specific application in mind, like customer support, content generation, or even technical writing. By customizing a model, you can significantly enhance its performance for your unique use case. This tutorial is especially for developers, marketers, or anyone looking to optimize their AI tool for specific tasks. If you're tired of generic outputs and want a tailored experience, fine-tuning is the way to go. Let's jump into the step-by-step process of fine-tuning your GPT model. First, head over to the OpenAI platform and select the model you want to fine-tune. You'll want to use the command OpenAI API finetunes.create mchai JSON-L to start the fine-tuning process. Make sure your training file is formatted correctly, as shown in the OpenAI documentation. Expect a response indicating that your fine-tuning job is being processed. If you're unsure about the file format, you can refer to the fine-tuning guide on the OpenAI platform. One common mistake when fine-tuning is not having enough data or using data that's not representative of the task. If your model is trained on a small or irrelevant dataset, it won't perform well. Aim for at least a few hundred examples that truly reflect the type of work you want the model to excel in. If you find that your model isn't performing as well as expected, it may be time to revisit your training data and ensure its quality and quantity that are up to par. Now, let's wrap up with some power tips for fine-tuning. First, always start with a smaller dataset and gradually increase it as needed. This will help you gauge performance without overwhelming the model. Second, consider using a validation set to test the model's accuracy post-fine-tuning. Lastly, experiment with hyperparameters during training. Adjust them to see how they impact your model's performance. Small changes can lead to significant improvements. To sum it all up, fine-tuning a GPT model can greatly enhance its performance for specific applications. Start by identifying your task, preparing quality training data, and using the correct commands to initiate the process. Keep experimenting with your dataset and hyperparameters for optimal results. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, head over to the OpenAI platform and start fine-tuning your model today.